All right, guys, so we got a 540 in the shop today. We have front mount intakes. Super excited. This thing will sound absolutely insane. Cannot wait. So we're going to go ahead. We already got the front grill off. I was actually going ahead and, I guess, destroying it. My boy here wanted the active vents gone, so we made them go away, of course. Now we can go ahead, get the box out, obviously whatever else we have to take out with it. This piece comes out, all of that. So we're going to get everything taken apart, and then we're going to get in here, see if we need to cut anything or what else we need to do. And we are going to go ahead and install the intake. All right, with that brace disconnected, the air box out. Boom. This, goodbye. So the first thing I'm starting with here is installing these V-brace bars that we got. So the cool part about these is they literally just snap right on. That's it. So as you see, the Arcade Tunes intake will go through that, up this way. It'll curl up and go right into here. So that is how it's routed. And of course, you can tell by the... This is essentially how this piece sits. So again, we have a bunch of couplers, clamps, everything. So now we're going to go ahead and install everything, and let's see how this thing sounds. There's two pipes. They only fit one way. Quite simple. As long as you use some silicone grease just to be able to push everything around into the right spot, that will allow you to line everything up. And then you just make all your connections, and that is it. And there we have it. We got some RK front mount intakes installed on this 540. Wow, would you just look at that? Now we're talking. That is awesome. The fact that you can see the intakes in the back looks super nice. Again, this is what it looks like from the engine bay. And of course, the red bars is a great accent. So that's going to look super sick on the road, honestly. Super excited to see how this thing sounds also.